Hello and welcome to Cannon Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this beautiful Pavoni espresso machine, and let's go ahead and pull a shot. That shot was a little fast. I think I needed a little bit more coffee in the machine. I also need to tighten this a little bit. Wasn't tight at all, actually. So yeah, if you have a leak back here, you can tighten this nut, but just be careful not to tighten it down too much. And now it's a little bit too tight. It should have a nice feel to it without leaking, so you're not cranking on it. So thank you for watching with Cannon Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.